Hello, Ricky Lansing here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back near the tailbone area. Before we begin, I just want to say it's a good idea to warm up your lower back with a heating pad or walk around the neighborhood for 30 minutes. So that way you have the flexibility to crack your back. So it's a simple process, 3 steps. First step is to cross your legs, lying down. Second step is to twist your lower body until you find the resistance. Once you find the resistance, just pause it right there. Step number 3 is to use your belt loop or loop belt and your hand to thrust you beyond the resistance. Alright, let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. First you lay down, cross the legs, and then you're going to bend this way. And then once you find the resistance, like right here, you pause. And then use your loop belt or belt loop right here and your hand to push it across for the crack, alright? So it goes 1, 2, 3. Same for the other side. Cross the leg. And then step number 2 is to twist. Once you find the resistance, like right there, use your belt loop and then push across. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, please consult your doctor, physical therapist, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.